safe rafting adventure begins with appropriate clothing to ensure your safety. The most important things start from the feet. In a rapid, your shoes are more than footwear, they are a shield for your whole body. Wear closed-toe shoes and make sure they don't come off easily with the pressure of the water. Use tennis shoes, sneakers, hiking shoes, or diving shoes. Water shoes are fine but not ideal. Their thin upper part doesn't protect well against bumps and hits. Do not use Crocs, never use flip-flops, and never ever go barefoot. About clothing for rafting, do not dress to avoid getting wet, dress to dry quickly. And try to don't look like him.
I am ready.
On sunny days, wear long sleeves and sunblock. About the sunscreen, do not apply sunscreen on your forehead. If you do it, the water splashes can make it run down into your eyes. For men, use lightweight pants or shorts. For women, we recommend you to use leggings.
Choose secure swimwear or activewear that stays in place so you can fully enjoy the ride and the rapids. If you're thinking of wearing a bikini, you might end up spending more time adjusting it than actually paddling. Bring an extra outfit to change your wet clothes at the end of the tour and enjoy your lunch dry and comfortable. Do not use your phone on the raft. You need both hands holding the paddle, and using your phone can make accidents. Don't worry about photos, since we offer an optional photography service with professional photographers in kayaks ready to snap your best action shots. We do not recommend bringing dry bags or loose items hanging from your body, such as necklaces, bracelets, earrings, or watches during rafting. If you fall into the water, these items and their straps can get caught on rocks, branches, or ropes, increasing the risk of accidents. Action cameras mounted on the chest can get caught on ropes, making rescues more difficult. Also, the mounts on helmet cameras sometimes break when hit by a paddle or another helmet, causing you to lose your camera. And remember, selfie sticks and hand cameras are not allowed. They can cause injuries to your face or hit someone else. About sunglasses or prescription glasses, we recommend using with straps or retainers. This helps prevent water splashes from knocking them off into the river. For your safety and to avoid losing or damaging personal items like dry bags, jelly, cameras, phone, or glasses, we recommend leaving your personal bag inside the bus during the rafting trip. Our driver will remain with the bus to watch over your belongings while you're enjoying the tour. Follow these tips and we guarantee you a safe and fun adventure.